moving fast, and some say we won't last, but I will be alright as long as I know I'm with you. Oh, forever summer high, I know that we'll be fine. Letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and nice winds, never keeping track of time.
What is it?
Is that the beach?
That's a Lake Michigan.
Remember we were there?
Yeah, at that park.
Yeah, we were taking pictures. Look, we can go down and swim. That's because we're swimming in there, right?
That'd be really cold.
And we can go fishing. Look, see the dock?
I see the dock.
Yeah. We can stand there and go fishing. If it pulls you in, then don't worry. You can't keep your baby suit on.
Yeah?
And if you find any fish, then point at it, and if it's asleep, then grab it on the water, right? That's what I want.
Grab the fish.
Mom, did we get any goggles for me?
I had them, but you packed them somewhere else and you forgot it.
Well, did we bring any? No?
So we've been up over 24 hours now. It is 11 o'clock. We're hungry and we're gonna eat. We can't check in to the condo until 4, but we're gonna try it probably around 3 because I'm sure we can get in there.
Water.
Yep, come on.
The ice
Journey's been playing at Grandma and Grandpa's house, so she's kind of dirty, but hair's messy, that's life. So we're gonna go in here and eat, kill a little bit of time because we're hungry and it's always so good. But
makeup.
Who's gonna eat? Come on, Journey! Always taking off. Look at these trees, you guys, blooming. Blooming out.
Yeah, we're gonna walk in. You're fantastic.
They got this farm fresh salad that's got strawberries on it.
Yeah, I want salad.
It had blue cheese on it.
You can get it without blue cheese.
Salad.
But honestly, I'd probably get myself something a little bit more. I'm getting
I got
this. You can get your eggs over easy.
No.
They have French fries. You got my favorite, which I'll get next time. You also got banana bread. Are you gonna eat all your banana bread? So we ate at Bob Evans and we're on our way back to my mom and dad's house. Still running on no sleep, but there's no rest for the wicked. But we're at this thrift store, so we're gonna go in here. This is on the way to my mom and dad's house. It's really big in here, but
Look at this guy right here.
it goes on for miles. Story's doing a little shopping. Here you go. How about this one? You need this one right here. Sterling, you need this one.
That looked like some my grandma ordered.
Let me vlog you with it. What is that?
That's rawhide.
Rawhide, okay.
Chew it. You want chew on
That's
it?
why it's wet.
Yeah, he chewed all that rawhide.
And this is rawhide. And the wood is
Maple,
maple.
just out of my wood pile.
And the rock. Smell it.
I
No. Let them go on a ride first.
See them birds? Chasing that snow, they do that every day.
That house.
Yeah, look up. They do that every day.
Is it the chicken? Let's go find the chicken.
They're a great wow.
Hey, no. We're gonna go see if we find the chicken. You gonna see if we find the chicken? Chiquitos.
Why are they using that?
Yes. Yeah, they're great. Oh, yeah.
I probably could even tell them where to get going now. I'm so sick. Hey man, what kind of blue Coca-Cola is that?
Hey,
Look at the little teeny kitten.
look at the little baby kitten.
I
She's
got the
so
little
cute.
kitten.
Do you want to hold the baby kitten?
Do you like Journey? Do you like Journey? No. Is she mean? Is Journey mean? Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, the bubble. We made it to Walmart. Picking up some groceries. The girls left their toothbrushes at home, so we got some Sterling here somewhere. I'm tired. Look. So we left Walmart. There's a picture of Mom. Oh my gosh. The vlog. Yeah. Yeah.
Who lives up there? Well, why is it in our condo? It's there.
You gotta clear it, I think.
Oh, yeah. Take my shoes off.
Okay.
So we stayed here before. Hi. Close that door. Get the key out.
Your bed? Yeah, go find my bed.
What?
I'm going to bring that extra shower head because this was. Yeah. I'm so excited to be here. I'm so happy to be here. Let's get in.
Home away from home. So, as you guys saw, we walk in there. Where are you?
Laura's up there. Sterling's up there. Evan's right there.
This is Evan's in here. You can see if you can bunk with Evan.
But yeah, this is not
You'll have to ask Evan if you can sleep in here with him.
Dad!
Which one's mine?
This one.
Both of them?
Yeah, can I sleep in there? Because there's both beds. 2 beds. Here.
You can totally sleep in there. Because there's 2 beds.
You guys gonna bunk together?
Hey, guys, there's a...
Remember sleeping in this room?
Do
This
I?
is where Nathan and Cora gonna sleep. I said, you remember sleeping in this room?
Oh yeah, I slept pretty good too. But see, they have such up here. It's like at home we don't have skylights and stuff like that. So this natural light wakes you up. Dang, I might sleep up here. It's warm up here.
She said she likes it up here.
It's warm.
Oh my goodness, you guys. So it is now, I don't know what time. I did bring my laptop, you guys. It is 4:16. Not a good angle, sorry. But, yeah. So we woke up yesterday, Thursday, at 8 a.m. And so we have not slept since then. And it is now Friday at 4:16. So we are like beyond like tired, but I don't know how to describe it. Like at times I feel like I'm just like a zombie. But it's like if we went to sleep now, it's like we'd sleep and then we'd get up. It just wouldn't make any sense to go to bed right now. Like we could take a nap, but then, you know, we'll be up for late tonight and then, you know, it'll just ruin everything. So we're trying to stay up as late as possible. And that way, I mean, if we go to bed like 8 o'clock, that would be fine. Which would just mean another 4 hours. I haven't saw my sisters yet. My sister Autumn was working, and my other sister lives in a different town. But my dad said he wants to have a family reunion tomorrow. Oh, my head hurts. It feels like I bumped my head on something. So, bad angle. Sorry. So I think he said something about getting there like at noon, 1 o'clock. So I'm not sure what time he wants to leave. I have to find out because we will be the one driving. Him and my mom will have to come with us. And Evan and Sterling can sit in the back. And then they can, like my mom or dad can sit up front. And then like me and my mom can sit in the back or vice versa or, you know, whatever. So, but we're also supposed to go dancing tomorrow night, my husband included. So tomorrow's gonna be like just, I'm hoping we can be done with this fish fry by like 6 or 7 and then be back here and then go out by 8 or 9. I'll have to run it by Autumn and my sister. But that's the plan. Yeah, I might take Journey to the pool. I don't know yet. I'm like beyond exhausted, so I don't know. I do want to take a shower eventually and get in my jammas. So. Taking these girls to the pool. Aunt Autumn and Evie might be coming over. But I'm trying to stay awake. Trying.
Yeah, but I'm
About 4 more hours, and I'll be good.
Mom, is the pool closed?
No, it shouldn't be closed.
What?
Sterling.
Is the
I'm gonna turn this bad boy on. Mom is gonna be in the hot tub.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah. It's a new day for good times. I just turn the page, let it ride.
Okay, we are leaving. I don't know what time it is. Of course, my phone will not turn on. Oh, it's exactly 6 o'clock.
What?
That's it for the vlog. I'm going to bed. I've been up for 37 hours.
37.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.